Now the first question, they had given you secant theta as 5 by 4 and they have asked you to evaluate this. Now you have got secant theta, so I will draw the right angle triangle. Let this be theta. Now what is secant? Secant is reciprocal of cos. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So secant will be hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse by adjacent, right? We got this. Now we can find this using Pythagoras theorem. These are very common values, 5x and 4x. So without doing, if you have practiced enough, you can directly tell this side will be 3x. 5 square 25 minus 4 square 16 is 9. Root of 9 is 3. So directly you can get the third side. Now easy to calculate that. Now tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. So 3x by 4x whole by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta means tan theta whole square. Again tan theta is opposite by adjacent and tan square theta would be whole square. Again x and x cancels. So we get 3 by 4 by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square, 9 by 16. So here we have to take LCM. 1 can be written as 1 by 1 into 16 into 16. So what do we get? 3 by 4 here by 16 plus 9 by 16, right? So we get 3 by 4 whole by 25 by 16. Now this becomes 4 will come down and 16 will go up. So 3 into 16 by 4 into 25. 4 ones are 4s are 3 4s are 12. So we get 12 by 25. So the answer is 12 by 25. Alright guys, they have given, second problem they have given tan A equal to root 2 minus 1 and you have to evaluate tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Now for this problem you don't have to sit and draw the triangle and find the third side. Why? Because they have given us tan A and everything here is tan A itself. So tan A will be root 2 minus 1 by 1 plus tan square A, which is root 2 minus 1 whole square. So we get root 2 minus 1 by 1 plus, this is of the form a minus b whole square. So you have to use a minus b whole square formula. So root 2 square 2 plus 1 square 1 minus 2 root 2. 2ab will become 2 root 2. So we get root 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 2. Now can we take something common here? Yes, we can actually, if you, let's see, 4 divided by 2 root 2. Just to check whether we can take 2 root 2 common. So 2 ones are 2s are, root 2 ones are root 2, root 2s are. So yes, 4 is completely divisible by 2 root 2, which means we can take 2 root 2 common. So what will we get? Up it is root 2 minus 1 by, we are taking 2 root 2 common, which means what will remain instead of 4? Root 2 minus 1 over here, because we have taken entire 2 root 2 common. So root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1 cancels, we get 1 by 2 root 2. But this is not the final answer. Why? Because we have to rationalize the denominator. So here into root 2, here into root 2. So we get root 2 by 2 root 2 into root 2, 2 into 2, 4. So answer is root 2 by 4. Now the next question, they have told you in a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, which has been given. So right angle has to be B. They said tan A is 4 by 3 and we need to find tan C. Now tan A is 4 by 3, which means what? What is tan of A? A is this angle, tan is opposite by adjacent. So 4 by 3 opposite by adjacent, right? And they have asked us to find tan C. What is tan C? Again opposite by adjacent. So do we need to find the third side? Not needed. We have opposite and adjacent sides. So directly tan C will be equal to 3x by 4x, or that is equal to 3 by 4. Now the next question guys, they have asked you to evaluate this. Now again you can see there is a special angle. So we need to make the table 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Sine, cos, tan. Again you just have to remember for sine 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Cos will be opposite 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0 and tan will be sine by cos. So we get this. Now since I have the table, I can solve. Now 2 cos square 30. Cos square 30 means cos 30 whole square. How much is cos 30? Root 3 by 2 whole square minus 1. So we get 2 into root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 into 2, 4 minus 1. So 2 ones are 2s are. So we get 3 by 2 minus 1. Taking LCM into 2 into 2. So we'll get 3 minus 2 by 2 or 1 by 2. Alright guys, now the last question in the test, they have asked you to evaluate this. It only looks big but it is very simple. Again, all are special angles and we have our table ready. So all you have to do is substitute. Tan square 60, which means tan 60 whole square. How much is tan 60? Root 3. So root 3 whole square. Plus 4 sin square 45, which is sin 45 whole square. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. Plus 3 sec square 30. So sec 30 whole square. Now sec is reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec will be 2 by root 3. Plus 5 cos square 90. So cos 90 whole square. Cos 90 is 0. So 0 square. By cosec 30. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cosec 30 will be 2 by 1, which is 2. Plus sec 60. Sec is reciprocal of cos. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sec 60 will be 2 by 1, which is again 2. Minus cot square 30, which is cot 30 whole square. Now cot 30, cot is reciprocal of tan. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 will be root 3 by 1, which is root 3. Alright. So root 3 square 3 plus 4 into 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 square by root 2 square, that is 1 by 2 plus 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square, 2 square by root 3 square, 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, plus 5 into 0 square, 5 into 0, so it is 0. Now here 2 plus 2 4 minus root 3 square 3, right? So what do we get? Okay, here 2 ones are 2 2s are and 3 ones are 3 1s are. So there is nothing in denominator except 1. So directly we have 3 plus 2 plus 4, right? By 4 minus 3 is 1, anything by 1 is itself. So the answer is 3 plus 2 4, 5, 5 plus 4 9. So 9 is the answer.